Got the expert boilman Steven again. He invented this.
Yeah. You got the technique. Alright, let's start with some 3 beers.
Any special kind, Boil Master Steven?
No, you know, went with what the store had on sale.
Ain't no wrong with that.
Vinegar, it's supposed to help make everything peel easily.
Nice one.
I think our sister's
Yep, there we go.
There.
Oh yeah, look at all that frothy goodness
She's a
there.
high school teacher.
Yeah.
Well, that's here.
Boil
Alright,
Master Steven.
we're gonna go some butter and some seasoning.
What's that yellow stuff?
Any specific kind? Salted, unsalted?
I think it's salted.
I don't think it really matters though, does it?
I think
Some lemons.
Gotta get the citrus in there.
Yep. Citrus beer, lemons.
Yeah, you got the combination of the orange beer and the lemons. You got some yellow onions.
Swimming, Maya?
So how long we letting that go for?
We'll add the seasoning, probably 10 minutes.
You couldn't see this coming.
Dump her in.
Got the expert crabberman assisting today.
Smells crabby.
Reserve some for later, huh?
Yeah. Mix her up.
Smells like lemon heads. There you go.
Check in.
What's after the potatoes?
Sausage and mushroom.
What is that?
That is in the garage. That smells pretty good.
Can you smell it?
All right. Ingredient number 1, 60 potatoes.
Exactly 60.
this water's so
All right. That come back.
How long we letting that go?
We'll let it go for about 3 or 4 minutes. We'll put in the next one.
Nice.
Doing.
Oh, there. You say don't.
Look at all that goodness in there. What do we got going in now?
We got some kielbasa and mushrooms going in.
Nice.
Shadow's favorite.
Is that one? I didn't know if it had a hole.
Minus all
I don't
that
have it.
fungus, everything's looking nice.
No, she was.
Lobster tails.
Hi, you doing okay?
Hey, that is going to be good. I tell you, Carla's putting this stuff in there like she's an expert corn person.
Big farming girl.
She's pretty corny at times.
Gonna have to take some water out. It's already getting crawfish.
I know you didn't go.
Crawfish.
Oh, there's one
We got
left.
one lingering, one straggler.
Alive?
Alright, we're gonna dump those
Yeah.
down.
Yes, you can.
Oh, I tell you, this is looking good.
I think you're about to take some more.
Tell you, this is gonna be a feast. Oh, those crab legs are peeing all over you.
Yeah.
That would be a damn shame.
That would be a damn shame.
I wonder if she'll stay there.
I'll tell you, these clams look like they're gonna be good.
Last thing we got is some shrimp.
Raw dog shrimp.
Yep. And they'll be the quickest. 2 minutes, shut it off.
Hey, that pot is loaded down.
Fit anything else in there.
I'm gonna be eating on this for about 3 weeks.
That's done. Hey, it's not that spicy. Good to go.
Spicy? All right, can't wait to get into it.
2,000
Yeah, no, it's
do that. Go to Western Beach. Go to like the eye doctor. I mean, are they really good?
So what do you think of it, Foil Master Steven?
you know, it worked out.
It worked out?
Got a little nervous there for a second.
Yeah.
I know we had Granddad a little stressed out.
Everything's good.
Thanks, Steve. It's really good.
Oh yeah, no problem. Glad it turned out. I was getting a little nervous there.
Plastic knife